Hello friends, now we want to define unit step function or Heaviside's unit step function. Now usually it is denoted by using the letter U of t, or sometimes we are going to use H of t because of name of the Heaviside, right? So or sometimes you can use U naught of t, or we can use H suffix a of t. So these are the other notations to denote an unit step function. Now it is defined by u of t is equal to 0 when t is less than 0, or u of t is equal to 1 when t is greater than or equal to 0. So what it means, the unit step function is a curve which has value 0 at all points to the left of the origin and is equal to 1, or sometimes we can say that unity on the right of the origin. Observe that at t is equal to 0, a step of unit height is formed. A step of unit height is formed. Hence, the name unit step function. So it means that the value of this function is equal to 0 when t is less than 0. Okay, now you observe the graph. So this is the t-axis and f of t. You can choose any value on the t-axis for t, right? So for example, if I choose t is equal to minus 1, what is the value of this function? So 0. If I choose t is equal to minus 2, what is the value of this function? Again it is 0. If I replace t by minus 3, the value of this function becomes 0. Or you can take any value in between 0 and minus 1. In all those cases, the value of the function is equal to 0. Right? So when t is equal to 0, what is the value of this function? The value of this function is 1. Or you can take any value in between 0 and 1. I will replace any value for t in between 0 and 1. Say for example, now I want to replace t by 0.1. What is the value of the function? 1. 0.2. What is the value of the function? 1. 0.5. What is the value of the function? 1. 0.9. Very close to 1. Again the value of the function is 1. Right? Or I can take t is equal to 1. The value of the function is 1. At t is equal to 2. What is the value? Value of the function is 1. At t is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. You can take any value. The value of the function becomes 1. It means it will maintain a height namely 1 unit. Right? So it means when we draw the graph of this function, I hope you can obtain a straight line. It means you will get all these points. When we join those points, you will get a straight line when t is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose if t is less than 0, then you will get a curve on the t-axis. It means left hand side of the t-axis. Right? You will get the curve on the right hand side from the origin when t is greater than or equal to 0. So that is the meaning of this function. This function plays an important role, especially in electrical field. I will give some more examples about an unit step function in the next few videos. Thank you.